Texting is one of the basic features of a smartphone, so a high-end device like the Galaxy S20 should not have issues with it. However, it seems like some users are having problems sending and receiving SMS. If you're one of them, then you really have to troubleshoot your device. In this video, we will show you how to fix a Galaxy S20 that can't send or receive text messages. First solution: force restart your phone. Before anything else, try refreshing your phone's memory and reload all services, especially if everything was working properly prior to this problem. A forced restart might be the only thing you need to do. Here's how. Press and hold the volume down button and the power key for 10 seconds. This will force your phone to shut down and then power back up. When the logo shows, release both keys and wait until the reboot is finished. After the reboot, try sending a text message to your own number. If the problem persists, move on to the next solution. Second solution: check the signal. If the forced restart can't fix the problem, then check the signal indicator of your device to see if it's getting a good reception. Just take a look at the status bar to know if it's a reception issue. While you can still send and receive text messages even with one bar of signal, it's still possible that it's an intermittent problem. There might be times that the messages get sent, and times when they just fail. If that's the case, the best solution will be to go to an open area with good reception. However, if your Galaxy S20 shows full signal bars and still can't send or receive text messages, then move on to the next solution. Third solution: reset the network settings. When it comes to network-related concerns, one of the most effective solutions you can do without compromising your files and data, is to reset the network settings. This will bring all network services back to their default configuration. Here's how it's done. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down, and then tap General Management. Tap Reset, and then touch Reset Network Settings. Tap the Reset Settings button, and if needed, enter your screen lock. Now tap the Reset button to reset the network settings on your Galaxy S20. After doing that, try sending a text message to your own number to see if the problem is fixed. Fourth solution: factory reset your phone. After doing the first three solutions and your Galaxy S20 still can't send SMS, then it's time to do the factory reset. If it's just a minor firmware issue, then this procedure should take care of it. However, make time to back up your important files and data. When ready, follow these steps to reset your phone. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down, and then tap General Management. Tap Reset, and then touch Factory Data Reset. Scroll down, and then tap the Reset button. If prompted, enter your screen lock. Tap Delete All. Enter your password, and then tap Done when finished. Now wait for your phone to finish rebooting, and then set it up as a new device. If the problem still persists even after the reset, then you have to call your service provider as there can be a network issue. We hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.